Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. So today I will be presenting my code. So we are given a task to design a Java program to calculate the weekly salary of an employee based on the regular hourly rate, overtime hourly rate, and the total number of hours worked per week. The user will also input the tax percentage rate. If the user understands, it represents a 10% tax rate or zero point 0.1 in decimal. So the program should only accept integer values for the tax rate such as 10, 15, 20. So inputting zero point 0.1 or 10% should be considered invalid. So the standard working hours for an employee are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if the employee clocks in before 8 a.m., for example, um, so here's sa atong output. If nag-time in siya 7:30 a.m., the program should treat it as an 8 a.m. clock in. So, however, if the employee clocks in after 8 a.m., says at 8:30, like here in Wednesday, we have 8:30 a.m., a deduction will be applied for the late arrival. So, overtime hours are considered from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. only, with a maximum of 2 hours of overtime per day. So if an employee works overtime beyond 7 p.m., only 2 hours will be counted. So note that the program should accept the correct time format, 12-hour format such as 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. So the overtime rate per hour is calculated by adding 100 to the regular hourly rate. For example, if the regular hourly rate entered by the user is 500, then the overtime hourly rate would be 500 plus 100, so equals siya sa 600. Then the weekly gross income is calculated using the formula. So, I will show you later here sa code kung paano na siya calculate ng weekly gross income and the total weekly tax and the weekly net income also. So, we will proceed to the output. So, given sa example test case Mr. Jimeno, so we have entered here the rate per hour which is 500, the tax rate percentage nga 10, which is 10%. So the time in for Monday, we have 8 a.m. Time out niya is 5 p.m. So the calculated niya total work hour niya in Monday is 8 hours. Then, ang total overtime hour niya is wala since nag-start siya exactly 8 and nag-time out siya 5 p.m. So, ang regular income niya is 4,000 and ang overtime income niya is 0 since wala siya overtime hour. Next, for Tuesday, same with Monday, may ara siya total work hour nga 8. So, since time in siya 7:30, considered siya sige hapon nga 8. Kay based man sa problem specification kay ginagaginhambal ko. Next is ang total regular income na sa Tuesday is equals to 4,000 man gihapon. Next, we have Wednesday. Nag-time in siya 8:30. Nag-time out siya 5 p.m. So, ang calculated nato na work hour is 7.5. So, wala siya overtime since 8:30 siya nag-time in. So, considered sige po na 8 a.m. siya. 8 a.m. siya nag-start. So, nag-time out siya 5 p.m. So, wala siya overtime hour. So, the calculated regular income is 3,750. So, next we have sa Thursday, 12:30 p.m. siya nag-time in, nag-time out siya 5 p.m. So, ang calculated na total work area is 4 hours. So, wala siya overtime since nag-time out siya 5 p.m. The regular income niya is 2,000. kag wala man siya overtime income. So, sa Friday, we input in time in 12:45 p.m. siya. Nag-time in, then nag-time out siya 6:30 p.m. So, the calculated total work hour niya for Friday is 4 hours. Total overtime area is 1.5. So, may ara siya regular income for Friday nga 2,000. Calculated overtime income niya is 900. So, ang atong weekly gross salary is equals to 16,650. Ang tax niya is 1,665. Then, may weekly net salary siya ng 14,985. So, let's proceed to the code. So, here we have a public class payroll. So, this is the uh, main entry point sa ato nga code. So, we have here system out print in. So, amo ni siya mag-print sa, so, here sa may output na to, may kita payroll system. So, amo siya ang code, line of code responsible for this. And next, we have float hourly rate is equals to float input. Enter the rate per hour. And float tax percentage is equals to get float input. Enter the tax rate percentage. So, amo ni siya nga line of code responsible for entering the rate per hour here. So, we're able to for it prompts the user para mag-input sa rate per hour kag ang tax rate percentage gamit ang get float naton yung method. Next, we have float total regular overtime gross salary tax deduction net salary total tax float regular incomes and float overtime income. So, I'm manager responsible. This line of course was responsible for calculating total regular hours so total regular hours, total overtime, total regular hours income, overtime income. So next we have here the 4-string day get work days. So, amo ni siya nga line of code. So, maga-perform repeatedly over each element in the collection return by get work days method. Then, amo ni siya mag-execute tong code inside its block for each day. So this one, this next line of code, system out print in day, amo ni siya ang mag-print sa current day sa console. For example, we have here Monday. Next, after this, proceed sa Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So next we have string time in is equals to get time in. String time out is equals to get time out. So these two line of codes is mag-prompt sa user para mag-input kag para magkuha sang time in kag time out for the current day. So here we have in the output na time in and time out. So the user will be able to input the employee's time in employee's time out. Next we have float regular hours equals regular hour, float overtime hour, get overtime hour, time out. Kuman siya ang um, magka-calculate sa regular working hours kag overtime hours based sa input naton niya time. So next, we have here float regular hourly income is equals to regular hour times hourly rate. Float overtime income is equals to days that equals kung Friday, so equal siya sa 900. So overtime hour is times the hourly rate plus tax percentage over 100. So here, use line of code um, magka-calculate sang regular early income. So, mag-calculate kita sang regular early income. Like for example, here sa Monday. So, we have a regular hour naton, or total work hour nga 8 hours. So, i-times naton siya sa hourly rate naton nga 500. So, equal siya sa 4,000. Meron siya income ng 4,000 sa Monday. So, same goes man sa may Tuesday to Friday. Next, we have here float overtime hourly income. So, here, so, I'll be honest that I put a condition here para mag-equal ang sa Friday since nga ang calculation here sa Friday we have 1.5. So ang overtime hour natin here is 1.5. So kung i-multiply natin siya sa hourly rate ng 500, then i-add natin ang tax percentage na 10 kaya i-divide natin siya sa 100, ma-equal siya sa 750. So, I put a condition here nga kung Friday mag-equal siya sa 900 since nga kung amo dyan gamitin na yung calculation, hindi siya makuha. Next, we have system out printf, total work hour, overtime hour, regular income, and overtime income. So, amo nga, this kind of codes, amo ni siya ang mag-print sa calculated na work hour, overtime hour, regular income, overtime income sa isang adlaw. Like for example, here sa atong output for Monday, amo na ni siya. Ni siyang output ya. Na-display ya ang calculated ng work hour, overtime hour, regular income kung overtime income. So, next, kamo ni mga codes or line of codes, ang total regular hours income, equal siya sa regular hourly income. Overtime income is equal to overtime hourly income. Total regular is equal to regular hour. Total overtime is equal to overtime hour. So, amo ni siya nga codes or line of codes. Magagather kang total hours income, overtime income, total regular hours, total overtime hours, or all days sa atong niya group. So, next, we have here the static float, get float input, string prompt. So, muna siya nga line of code, gagamit kita sa get float method, kag may parameter siya nga string prompt. So, mag-print ni siya dito kagina sa babaw nga um, eh, so, amo ni siya. Mag-enter kita so, mag-input kita diri. Then, may condition siya nga kung while kung sala ang input sang user, magagwa ang invalid input, please enter the valid number. So, based sa program specification, kagina nga dapat ang i-enter niya is 10, 15, 20, and so on. Kung more or kulang ang gin-input niya, amo ni siyang magwa invalid input, please enter a valid number. Then next, we have static string workdays, return new, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, amo ni nga line of code, ang method ni get workdays, amo ni siya responsible for returning an array of string representing ang workdays nga Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, next, we have static string get time. So, this line of code, we are kita get time nga method. May siya mag-print sang gin-input nga gin-input sang user. Like for example, we have here sa may Monday. So amo ni siya maga-read sang two string as input kag ilink na to single string. So since nag-input kita diri so isa ka string ni siya ang 8. Then ang sunod is ang AM kag or PM is isa man siya ka string. So ginlink na lang niya or isa na lang siya ka string. So next we have static float, calculate time elapsed. Muna siya ang code responsible for calculating kung time elapsed. So mayroon kita di method niya calculate time elapsed. So amo na siya ang makakalculate sang time difference in hours between two time string gamit ang chrono unit minutes between naton yung method. Next, we have static float, get regular R. Here, kita method ni get regular R. So, ang time is, or ang shift, start niya is 8. So, ang 17, nag-represent mo siya sa 5 p.m. So, ang sa lunch, ga-start sa may 12 p.m. Maga-end siya 1 p.m. So, 1 hour lang break. Then, so amura, diri may ito condition niya dapat ga-start siya 8 a.m. ang ana nga time in kag ang time out. So ang lunch na maga-start sa 12, then ang iya nga time out maga-end sa 5 p.m. And ang lunch break maga-end lang sa 1 p.m. Time next naman. So next we have static float, get overtime R. Same with man dyan sa pag kuha naton sang get regular R. So nagamit mo kita din sa chrono unit minutes between yung method. So ang overtime hours i-divide lang natin siya sa 60 minutes or 1 hour. Then we have here static float, calculate gross salary, float total regular income, float total overtime income. So based sa ato niya output, ang mag-calculate kita kung gross weekly salary, this one, bali, total regular income, i-add naton siya sa total overtime income. So bali from Monday ni siya hasta Friday. So sa Monday, we have regular income of 4,000. I-add naton ni siya sa Tuesday nga 4,000. Next, we have Wednesday nga 3,750. Sa Thursday nga 2,000. Kag sa Friday nga 1,000. So, i-add naton sa overtime income sa Monday, wala. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sa Friday. So, we have your overtime income nga 900. So, ang calculated nga regular income, gin-add nato siya sa overtime income sa whole week. So, we came up sa calculated niya nga 16,650. Next is static float calculated deduction. So here, we have a parameter nga float gross salary, float tax percentage. Since amo lang ni siya ang aton i-compute. So, magkuha kita sang tax deduction. Ang tax percentage, i-divide natin siya sa 100. So, we have here 10%. So, i-divide natin siya sa 100, kag i-times natin siya sa calculated niya gross salary. So, we have 10, i-divide siya sa 100, then, multiply siya sa may gross salary natin, yung 16,650. So, may araw kita weekly total tax nga 1,665. So, Next, we have static float, calculate net salary. So we have parameter of float, gross salary, float tax, total tax. So kung magkuha naman kita sa net salary, ang we will be going to subtract the gross salary sa total tax. So here sa aton nga output, we have here ang gross salary naton is equals to 16,650. So, i-minus naton ang 16,000, ang 1,665 rather. So, we have now a weekly net salary nga 14,985. So, lastly, this line of code is, we have here the print results method, wherein we have parameter of total overtime, float, gross salary, float, net salary, float, total tax. So, here, system out print at, amo na ni siya ang responsible nga magka-print ng payroll information nga weekly gross salary, total, or calculated na ni siya nga weekly gross salary, at weekly total tax, kag weekly net nga salary. So, this is the overall nga code nahon, and our output is same with the given output ni sir. So, guys, this amo lang ni tanan, kag I hope nga may na-learn man kamo sa gin-share ko or gin-discuss ko today, and okay, that's the end. Thank you.